So this is my RC car. Uh, RC car means that a car which is controlled by a remote control or which is in our control, like these two DPDP switches. So when I turn on these two, I can control the rotating of the tires, or I can stop rotating the motors at what time I need. So first, let me tell its uses. First, it is used to travel from one places to another. Like you must go to some trips or journeys. So you must carry some loads like your suitcases. So that can be carried by this car, but to a limited weight. These are used by the peoples on the roads, or like on the roads to travel from one place to another. Now first let me tell you about what sciences are applied in this. So rotation is applied in this, force is applied
Can
in
you
this.
provide a little demo without the box below? वो box के बिना.
This.
That's okay. Rotate करना उसे.
1 second.
Okay, fine. Yeah, carry on.
Okay. So so see, the tires were rotating and it caused so the rotation motion caused linear motion as it moves forward backward. Okay. Electric current is also flowing in these wires, starting from the battery to the DPD switch and through the wires to the motor, so that the motors rotate. Now let me tell you the parts of it. So see, this is
So your car can go forward, backward, and it can rotate also.
yeah.
And what are those LEDs which were glowing?
Yeah, okay. One
वो
second.
क्या था? No,
So
that's
these
fine.
LEDs were that basically, one second, let me show it to you only. So this motor, this motor,
So that's fine. What are those LEDs showing when they glow?
that like the car is moving forward or backward, and like I was not able to do the resistance, like what the find the way when the LED should be off when it is turning right or left. So I was not able to find that, but still, when it will go forward, this LED will go. Sorry, and if it is in this way, like if it is flipped, see, let me show you. See, this was going backward, forward LED. Okay, it's not working. So
That's fine.
that if this tire was rotating clockwise and like force is being applied this side, and when we get opposite reaction, it was going forward. But this LED was going due to I have
It would be better if you show it with diagram and all and everything.
Okay.
Take another pen.
Okay. This is first motor, second motor, third motor, fourth motor. Let's name this A, B, C, and D. So what I have done in this is these two motors P and D are connected to a single DPDT. Let me show you. Okay, and this is connected to a battery. So B and D motors are connected to this DPDT switch, and suppose this is the forward of this. If I will press this, then the car will the motors will rotate clockwise and then it will go forward. and this side it's the backward. Like if I press this side, then these will rotate anti-clockwise and the car will move backward. But these two will also be these two are also in the same connection, but with the different DPD. Like this. Same battery is there, but like that was one. Okay. So B and D motor is connected to
Wait.
this BTD.
Hmm.
So let's take this as forward, this as backward. Now, if this side is pressed of A and C motor, then it will rotate clockwise and the car will move forward if this is also forward. Otherwise, what will happen? See, it is going a little bit right because only one side the force is applying. See, like say, should be like this. Okay. And if this side and this side, the backward of AC and BD is pressed, then the motors will rotate anti-clockwise like this. Force is applied there, opposite reaction, and then the car will move backward. Like
If it would be good if you can, when you are saying forces, you can show the forces while saying it.
okay.
I mean, when you are making such a great diagram, उसमें labeling भी कर रहे हो, सब बता रहे हो, तो force भी दिखाओ ना. तुमने rotation भी दिखाया. हर चीज जो बोल रहे हो वो ड्रॉ करो. एक बार ध्यान है मैंने बोला था कि जो तुम बोलते हो वही चीज ड्रॉ हो रही है उस वक्त. इट मेक्स अ बेटर इम्पैक्ट.
Okay. See, so this is rotating this side. Okay.
See, you're not looking. I told you.
See, this is rotating like anti-clockwise. Force is applied this side because it is rotating like this. So it is the force is applied this side, and then when we get the opposite reaction for all the motors, then the car moves backward. But if I take forward of this, backward of this, what will happen? See, forward. Let me only show you. This is forward. Suppose this is forward. Okay, and this is suppose this is backward. Okay, so see, it is trying to move this side. See, yeah. So this side the force is applied. This side it is rotating, and this side the force is applied. Opposite this side force is applied, then the opposite reaction, and then it is moving this side. But this side is backward, so opposite will happen. So like this. So this was backward, and then this thing and this. So yeah. Yeah. So the force is applied this side, and see, so this is backward and opposite reaction forward. Clockwise forward direction force, and the forces are in this side, so opposite reaction, and then like this. So see the movement. See the movement. See the movement. See the movement. Like this it will happen. But opposite is this. If we will press this forward and this backward, then the force will be applied like no, one second. It is rotating this side. Force will be applied this like this.
See, you are again not looking.
So see the movement. The force is applied here. Opposite reaction. It is moving forward. Here. Yeah. So this is applied force here. Opposite reaction. It is going backward. So see the movement. Yeah. So So now let's take the LED thing. I said that this motor. Let's take this is B. Okay. So basically this is B. This one. So I have connected. Suppose in clockwise, if it is rotating clockwise like this. Okay. So and it is getting positive here, positive current here, negative current here. Then see. I have not used a resistor because see the current comes from here to the DPDT and this DPDT provides the current to the motors. The electrons are used by the motors and then these electrons are again used by the LED. So there is no need of resistance, otherwise the LED will glow a little less. Okay. See, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, this is the LED. Okay. So see, if I press forward of this, then this will glow because this is positive of like here the positive current is being there. Yeah, so there here the battery is providing positive current to this terminal and negative to this. So positive terminal of LED is here and negative terminal, and here positive terminal of this. See, so this is negative terminal. Okay.
Wrap up करो जल्दी.
So this positive terminal of this motor and this is the negative terminal of the LED and this is the positive terminal of the LED. Okay. So and this negative is connected to this positive. When I press backward of this DPDT of like cover current providing to these two motors. So then the current will be reversed here. If this was positive, this will be negative. This was positive. If this was negative, this must be positive. So see, positive to positive, negative to negative, and the circle will be completed. Yeah. So I face some problems like you see the base is like bending.
ठीक है.
Okay. So any questions?
Why are you looking at me?
Any questions?
तुम पूछने वाले थे ना कुछ? पूछ बोलो मुझसे.
मुझे लाइक वो एलईडी वाला नहीं समझ आया कि वो कैसे चल रही है.
Okay. So suppose this is the battery. Okay. This is the battery. Okay. And this is the DPDT switch, which provides the current in two different directions. Like this can provide current in this direction also and this directions also. Okay. So suppose if I press forward of this and it is providing positive to this terminal and negative current to this terminal. Okay. So positive this positive is connected to this positive connected to its positive and this negative is connected to its negative terminal. So it's the diode, the light emitting diode, we can say LED, it's glowing.
और what you could have said is कि मैं मोटर को तो पावर दे ही रहा हूँ, तो जहाँ पे वो मोटर से आके कनेक्ट हो रहा है मैंने वहीं से एलईडी के लिए वायर्स निकाल लिए. एनीथिंग तुम कुछ पूछ कर देना. ऋषभ तुम पूरा समझ में आया
पूरा हो गया है.
तुम्हें?
सर मुझे बस एक चीज समझ नहीं आई कि वो जो दोनों मोटर्स हैं वो एक ही डीपीडीटी स्विच से कनेक्टेड है.
वो तो तुम्हें वैसे अभी जब तुम खुद भी करोगे तो तुम्हें समझ जाएगा. वो तुम करोगे तो कि कैसे कनेक्शन किया है उसने. ठीक है. बट हो सकते हैं कनेक्ट. दो क्यों कई सारे हो सकते हैं कनेक्ट. जब तुम बैटरी से कई सारी मोटर्स कनेक्ट कर सकते हो तो स्विच से क्यों नहीं कर सकते. स्विच में भी तो दो टर्मिनल्स हैं. कैसे रोटेट कर रही है तुम्हें समझ में आया. कार रोटेट कैसे कर रही है. ऋषभ
यस सर.
अच्छा there were at least 20 times you were not looking at the board when he was explaining. तो उसको तो हम ब्लेम कर ही नहीं सकते. प्लीज एटीट्यूड सही करो. यहाँ पे किस एटीट्यूड से बैठे हो वो सोचो कि यहाँ क्या पर्पज है यहाँ बैठने का, ठीक है? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? एनीथिंग एल्स? तो पूछो ना, कुछ पूछो, आस्किंग समथिंग पहले, आस्क इट।
Why is that B and D tires connected to one DPTD? Why not A and B?
See, then we will not be able to turn it. Why? Because if we will connect these two motors, so let's take it away. Okay. Let's take it. Okay, this circuit is there. This DPD. Now let's take this is forward, this is backward, and these C and D is also connected like this only. Now, if I press forward of this and backward of these two, C and D, then the forces will cancel out.
ये हुआ भी था शायद तुम्हारे साथ।
Yeah, I have actually the current here, the current here.
You did not answer his question. He said कि अगर सेम DPDD से A और B कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो तुमने कहा कि it will not work. Tell him now why it will not work.
Because like if I see forward and forward, then it will go forward. Backward and backward, then it will go backward. But if I press forward of this DPDD and backward of this, then the forces will cancel out.
Understanding what he is saying.
Because the forces like
हाथ से करके नहीं दिखा सकता क्या? एरो बना के नहीं दिखा सकता क्या बेटा? ऐसे लाइक ऐसे क्यों? बोल दिखा सकता है ना एरो बना के इधर क्या हो रहा है?
like see this. Either they want to like either they want to
स्ट्रेच, इसको
Yeah.
स्ट्रेच बोलिए।
yeah,
इसको
either they
stretch.
want to stretch or either they will compress.
ठीक है, समझ में आ गया तुम्हें लंच? तो क्या कह रहा है? सही बोल रहा है, उसके साथ हुआ भी है एक्चुअली, उसने ऐसे कनेक्ट कर
मैंने
दिया।
ये दोनों मोटर्स का ये फॉरवर्ड मूव कर रही थी और ये बैकवर्ड मूव कर रही थी लाइक एंटी क्लॉकवाइज.
Yeah.
This was clockwise and this was anti clockwise.
And for 2 days he was looking at the car and he was not able to figure out कि क्या हो रहा है। What else? Any questions? Do you guys have any questions?
No, sir.
Sure. Sure. Anything? पक्का? Okay. What I think is कि तुम A और B को अगर सेम DPDT से कनेक्ट करते हो और C और D को सेम DPDT से कनेक्ट करते हो, एडिशनल बोल रहा हूँ, जो है वो तो सही है, तो you should be able to expand the car. अगर उसका चेसिस है वो 2 पार्ट्स में और वो मूव कर सकता है ऐसे एक दूसरे पे ऐसे, you should be able to expand the car to make more space, or you are able to contract also to park it in a lesser space. Suppose तुम कहीं पे गए, लोग उधर गए, and then you park it in a smaller space by doing this, the tires will come closer. Problem is for the body, so body पूरी की पूरी
seats, steering wheel inside, there are many like
चीजें समझनी पड़ेंगी उसके लिए, obviously it's not a practical thing, just saying, but maybe can be done some way. Okay, anything else? That's it.